You're going to stay there. And we're going to show you what we got here. You use the Insta360 Mic Pro. Awesome. You use the camera as is. Great. And you have this wind guard cover. You opened up your box, and when you first got it, you notice this package. And you pull it out. And that's all you get in the package. A piece of foam, right? Well, what do you do with the piece of foam? Well, let me bring the camera up close, and this is what it's for. Pay attention to the way, the shape it is. It's got an angle. Now, what we're going to do is, there are 2 clips on each side. With whatever hand you're comfortable with, get your nail, separate it, and simply do the opposite side. And you're going to pull off. And in there, you'll see your foam. I apologize if it's dark. So let's bring this out in the way. And when you pull this off, I want you to be very careful. It comes off, and in there is a washer. You see the washer right there? That washer comes out, and you don't want to lose this. This has that angle, and it has the holes that you can see through. The washer is flexible. It goes on. Don't want to lose it because you don't get a spare one. And you put the foam in, like so. I put the same piece of foam in. I'm not going to take the new one and put it in. Now I'm going to take this. You can see the 2 little clip areas on each side where they go to. And on the camera, you can see where the clips are at with the light reflection. And you're simply going to match this up correctly. And if it's the wrong way, you want to turn it the right way. And you want to start to press it on. It doesn't look like it's sitting on there 100%. You need to make sure both sides go on. And then you want to grab it and give it a little pull. And that is that foam insert. It's a replacement piece of insert. When moisture hits the foam and it ages and decays and decompresses, you need to change it out. Do they sell that washer and that foam separately and this piece? In the future, maybe they will. I hope this video was helpful to someone. The 8K gimbal camera. Please, don't lose anything. Keep it in its cover. Know where it's at. In the box, the dual lens 8K gimbal camera. The Insta360 Luna Ultra.